Also, want to reduce your apartment.
Beautiful and thankful for this experience. Because to become an artist and a student is nothing. There's a lot of failures, mistakes, and frustrations. It's happening. Nothing is impossible. The journey of making went through to achieve that place are the one we created. The relationship between each other by sharing ideas, the cooperations, and work as a team to make it done properly. Having an optimistic mind to creating forward. Always value even the smallest things we have in this life. Be thankful. For us, these experiences are one of the greatest achievements in our life. As stepping stones to fulfill our ambitions. Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity for our beloved Pasay City College and smart community. Always remember, to let the fear of losing be greater than excitement of good. Whatever kayo sa akin, once again, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the support, for that being legendary, smart, TCC.
Yes!
Thank you, guys.